In this video, I will show you how to increase the speed by 10 times for iOS for gaming, iPhone, and iPad using the settings option. This is for PUBG and BMG with no lag. Now, it's pretty simple to do. Just make sure you follow this video to the end so you don't miss any important steps. But the first thing we want to do is we just want to go over to the settings option on our phone. Now, once we are in the settings option, what we want to do from here is all we have to do is scroll down and find where it says accessibility. Once you find that, you click on it like so. It's going to bring you to this panel right here. And instead of scrolling down, what we want to do is be at the very top and click on the option that says motion. Now once you click on motion, it's going to bring you to this tab like so, and what you're going to want to do from here is you just want to toggle on the switch that says limit frame rate. Now what this does is it's basically going to allow your frame rate to be decreased, making the gameplay run a lot more smooth. And once you've done that, what you want to do is you just go out of the settings app and then you go back to settings. And then what you want to do again is you just want to scroll down to the accessibility option right here once again. Once you find that, you click on it and then you just want to go over to the option that's called touch. Now once you click on the touch option, it's going to bring you to this panel like so. And from here, what you're going to want to do is click on the assertive touch option at the very top. Now once you that, you just want to scroll down past all of these. If that comes up, you can click done. But anyways, on the tracking sensitivity, we just want to increase this all the way up. This makes your phone a lot faster and therefore your gameplay runs a lot more smoother. But after we've done that, we've got one more thing to set up. What we want to do is we just want to go back to the settings main menu. Once we're back on the main menu, all we have to do is we just go down to the general option and then we have to click on the software updates option. Now once you do this, you can see there's currently an update for me, but we do not want to update it because if we do, this will take up a lot of phone storage and overall slow down your gameplay in your phone. So what you want to do instead is you just want to click on the automatic updates option and you actually want to toggle these off. And most importantly, the iOS updates, you want to toggle that off. You want to leave the settings app once again. And then once you've done that, we've got one more thing to do. You just want to go back to settings and you want to scroll down to the privacy and security option. And then once you're on privacy and security, you want to click on the location services and you actually want to just toggle the switch off. Now turning this off will basically disable apps and allow them to run a lot more smooth. And then from here, you just go back one more time, click on the tracking option, and from here, if this is on, you just want to toggle it off. Mine is currently off, so I'm all good. And that is how you make your phone run 10 times speed for gaming. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below and share this with your friend whose phone's slow.